Hi guys, today I wanted to show how you can hard reset your Tribit StormBox Bluetooth speaker. In order to do so, you gotta press and hold on the minus and plus signs simultaneously, so let me do it real quick. And you gotta hold until you'll hear this sound. So we have just successfully hard reset our Bluetooth speaker. Moreover, you can see it on the screen that before this action the phone and speaker have been connected together, but now they're not. So that's pretty much it for this video. Hope you like it, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.